Music good mo. Update today with JFC pumps. Korean Aura pump. We're just waiting for the balance. This is tiny job today. Last month they're just learning. No, very good screening. Very good at doing concrete. Understand? This foundation there. Foundation. It's a tiny job today, and I'm finishing this job alone. So, yeah, that's all. That's all, guys. See you for an update later on this job. Thank you so much. Bye bye.